This is one of the greatest opportunities that marketers have right now. Hi everyone, Alfred from Pebblely here, an app that uses AI to help you generate beautiful images of your product. There's a saying, AI will not replace you, but the people who use AI will. Marketers are already using AI tools in their day-to-day work. For example, Tina from Alloy used AI to help her write a piece of content that ranked for 47 keywords. Phil from Golf Rider used Midjourney to generate images for his ad campaign. And then we have Wilson from Senja that also used Midjourney to create illustrations for his blog. If you're not using AI tools in your day-to-day work, here are 3 reasons why you should start now. First, AI is changing marketing like social media did. 10 years ago, social media became the thing for businesses. Marketers started posting text, images, videos, then live videos, then TikTok, then Instagram Reels. Every time social media platforms come out with new features, marketers will adapt immediately so that they can grow their reach and engagement. AI is a tool just like social media is a tool. Social media gave us a new way to engage with our audience. AI is now giving us a new way to create content faster and more creatively. The people who benefited the most from the social media wave are those people who dove in early. Remember the days where you get a ton of traffic from Twitter or organic reach on Facebook? AI is the next opportunity for us. We are good at some things, AI is good at some things. For example, AI cannot tell the personal stories that we have. When it tries to generate images, it tends to add weird parts to the object. But AI can write long essays, create images, and come up with creative ideas within seconds. So we shouldn't see it as a competition, but instead should use AI to help us with things that we're not so good at. For example, Sandit and his team at Outplay used AI to scale their content effort by 3 times. The AI gave the base of the content, and then they went in to add the unique personal insights. I was able to generate surprisingly good images that I've not even thought of using our tool Pebblely. So why not use AI for its speed and creativity, and then add our own personal insights and takes? Third, we have the perfect skill set for using AI. As marketers, we pride ourselves on being wordsmiths. And words are exactly what AI needs to generate good output. It's not code, it's English. Most people think you tell an AI, give me X, job done. But that's not quite how it works. Creative director Eric Groza have a viral LinkedIn post about AI-generated collaboration between Patagonia and IKEA. He did a video explaining the process behind it, and can see how much exploration and refinement he had to do to generate those images. And so the better you can instruct AI, the better the results you get. So I think we marketers are very well suited for this. Here are 3 ways to get started. First, subscribe to AI newsletters. A good first step is to be on top of new, interesting AI tools that you can use on a day-to-day basis. The world's a lot bigger than just ChatGPT. There are specialized tools for product images, explainer videos, music generation, and so on. And selfishly, if you can discover a great AI tool and master it, you have advantage over other people. It can be quite overwhelming to stay on top of all these tools given that there are new AI tools every day. What I like to do is to subscribe to AI newsletters to help me cut through the noise. 3 of my favorites are Ben's Byte, The Neuron, and Startup Growth AI. Second, try it 100 times. Marketers are just so used to jumping to new tools, trying them, and then getting good at them. The same mentality applies to learning AI tools. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate 100 content ideas, or use Pebblely to generate 100 product images, or use Synthesia to generate 100 explainer videos. What you'll notice is your first result will be terrible, just like your first blog post, your first TikTok video, and your first webinar. But the difference is that AI tools can give you new results immediately. And so you can keep playing around with your text input to see what generates better results. Is it a longer input? Is it a different phrasing? Or is it using certain keywords? Or you can go to YouTube and see how other people are generating images, content, and videos. Third, combine it with your existing processes and tools. As mentioned, AI is not perfect. we should learn about its limitations and then supplement that with our human touch. For example, if you have used ChatGPT to generate content ideas or even the entire essay, you want to edit it manually and run it through something like ClearScope. If you use Pebblely to generate product images, you might want to use Canva to add your logo and some copy. If you use Synthesia to generate videos, you might want to use something like Adobe to cut it into social media friendly sizes. AI tools are not able to do end-to-end stuff for us yet. And so if you're able to take the output from AI tools and make it better, your content will be a lot better than people who lazily take whatever AI tools provide them. AI will continue to change business and marketing, maybe in ways that we cannot even imagine right now. Social media was the last thing that changed the way we work, and that has been 10 years ago. If you miss out on the start of the internet or social media, here's your chance to be early on the next big thing.